Bulk density of aggregate. Bulk density shows how tightly aggregates are packed.
So what is density? It is how tightly packed mass is in a certain amount of space. For example, the second figure shows a more dense, whereas the first figure shows less dense material. This is because in second figure there is a large amount of material in the same volume as compared to the first image in which there is a less number of material in the same volume. kg is a measure of mass, whereas the metric cube is the measure of volume. Now if there is a kg, that is the mass, in 1 m cube of the volume, then its density will be kg per m cube. Now this fundamental of density is very important in concrete, because when aggregates are placed together there are air voids. Now if the aggregate size is such that there are large number of air voids, then its density will be less, because in 1 metric cube a space will be filled by the air voids. But if we do a proper sieve and produce all the sizes of the aggregate in certain ratio such that the air content or air voids is minimum and the volume occupied by the aggregate is maximum, then we get a more denser concrete and a more stronger concrete.
So lesser will be the voids, greater will be the bulk density. Greater the bulk density, stronger will be the concrete. So first step in the test is to take the sample of aggregates and put it into a bucket of known volume into 3 steps, each time tamping the rod to ensure the proper compaction of the aggregates. Once the bucket is filled, then the bucket is leveled from the top by removing the excess of the aggregate. The tamping need to be done properly to ensure the minimum air voids. Now once the bucket is leveled, then we have a known volume of the aggregate which will be equal to the volume of the bucket. Now we can measure the weight of the aggregate by putting the bucket plus the aggregate on the weighing machine, and in this way bulk density can be found out. It could be used to find the air voids in the aggregate, to convert volume batching to weight batching, and for concrete mix design.